Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you very quickly a free traffic method that you can use. I know all of you who are following me, you are just start out in affiliate marketing. You don't have much money and you need free ways to make money on ClickBank. So this product that we're gonna use will be this product. You're gonna have to find some info about the product first, like going to the sales page and take information about it. And I'm gonna show you a free method, a free ways that you can use to generate free traffic for your ClickBank offer. This method make me 500 every day online because I have different ways I use this to generate a lot of free traffic for me and targeted traffic at the same time. So guys, one thing I'm gonna ask you, I always ask this, don't forget to smash the like button. So by this way you show to the YouTube algorithm that you love this type of content. It's like you say to YouTube, keep giving me this type of content and it will boost my video. And secondly, one other thing that you will have to do, guys, you will have to comment down below, let me know that you're gonna use this method. Everyone we're gonna use it, type say yes, I'm gonna try this. Okay, and at the end of this video I have a bonus for you. Stay till the end of the video. I'm gonna show you a bonus how I make my money, another way I use to make my money very quickly. So now let's get to the video. What you will have to do, you will have to use the power of YouTube, which is the transcript from every video of YouTube. You're gonna use this method first on your video. You're gonna try to find what I call the transcription of any video, and I'm gonna show you where to use this transcription. So stay with me, watch the video to understand the strategy. So guys, what you will have to do, let me show you very quickly. You go to your personal video. If you have a YouTube channel, I hope you have one. So you go to your video. Let's say this video is one of my video, and let's say I want to rank for this subject. Okay, let's say I want to rank for this one. So I just click on this video. Let me pause this because I don't want to play it, and I'm gonna show you the method that I use. The method that I use, it is a secret method that a lot of great YouTuber, great affiliate don't really know about and don't really use yet. So you're gonna use this method that I'm going to show you very quickly. So you're gonna go right here, just careful, right, watch the video all the way through the end to understand the method. You go right here, you click on the three points, you're gonna go to open transcript. For every video you see on YouTube was playing, some of them have this possibility where you can copy the things that these people is saying on the video, the speech of the video, or the text, the transcription or the caption of the video. This is where you can find all of them. So you can see this is everything that I say in this video. You can see them right here. When you click below on these 3 points, you just go to open transcript. You're gonna find the transcript, which is the speech of this video. So if I go over here, what I will have to do, I don't want this time step to appear. I will click on these 3 points. I'm gonna toggle time step, and I will select this text. You see all the text I have on this video, all the speech or everything I said on the video. I'm gonna copy all of them, and I'm gonna go, maybe you can do this for any video. It may not be your personal video, it can be the video of someone else, but make sure that this person allow you to take the video or to take the transcript. So what you will have to do, you're gonna go to this tool first. There is a tool that I have right here. Let me show you. The tool is a Chrome extension, which is Spinboat. You go to Spinboat, you're gonna rewrite the text. This text you see on this, you take from the transcript, you're gonna have to rewrite this text because it is not your text. You will have to rewrite it. But if the text exceeds the amount, because you have only 10,000 text you can take the text step by step. Sometimes you take some, and after you take the rest until you finish to rewrite everything on them. So you can see now, let me rewrite this. I can say I'm not a robot because I want this to rewrite the text for me. So it will rewrite it. I already have a text right here, but it will rewrite it and replace this text. So you can see you will have to remove hello everyone. Today this video is to answer to the question. So you can say today I want to answer. You can change things on it, but let me show you very quickly below. Hi everybody, you see it is different text. Today this video is to reply to the question of this person. You can say today, and this article you can change to this video because you're gonna use this for your article. So you copy all the text and you go to blogger.com. If you don't have a blog, because I know most of you don't have money, you can create a blog from a professional website. But if you want to use professional website, you can click below. You will see on the description box of my video a web hosting, which is Bluehost. You can go create any blog for only $3 per month. You create any blog if you want. You just click on get started. After you get started, you're gonna install WordPress, and WordPress, they will drive you everywhere, and you will create your blog and start posting this type of articles. So you just copy this text, because this is the text that you're gonna need. You will click on new post. When you click on new post on Blogger, if you already have a blog on Blogger, you will pass the text right here, but you will have to organize everything because now they are not really organized. So you will have to organize them and make them good looking, because everything you see right here, every word you see right here can be a keyword for you that can rank you on Google search, guys. But what you will have to do, you will go through these texts for everything on it. You will have to insert your affiliate link about the subject. If the subject is about a weight loss product, you will have to insert your affiliate link talking about the weight loss product. You can organize all this text, make it become good looking. Let me give you an example, a good looking articles. That's because you can be, for the first time you come to this, let's say weight loss tips, an example. Okay, let's say I go to any of these articles. You're gonna see how an article is. You see, you can bold the title. This will be a title for you. You can organize the text and include some picture, because this video is your video. It's you who make the video. Supposing that the video was your video, you know everything that you say, you know what picture will go for everything that you say. So, and you will have to organize like this article you see right here, and you will make the same thing. You will insert your link. But last thing you will do to make you rank, the same title you give to this video, you're gonna use the same title right here. You can see you're gonna use the same title for your article, because though your article, each time your article rank, people will see the video. You will insert your video inside of the article, the same video you see right here. So you will get a lot of views for your video. But at the same time, the video you see over here, if the video get some ranking or some views, some interest, attract a lot of people, your article will attract people as well, because this is the same thing that's saying inside of the video, which is inside of your article. But if I go with the title of the video, let me show you very well on Google. This is what will happen to your article as well. You see, I just typed the title of my video, so you can see this is my video on the first page for Google. So you can see because this video will rank, each time this video will take a lot of views, your article, your post that you make, the article that you make will rank and will take a lot of interest. So what will happen, you can use this method for any other type of affiliate offer. Let's say it was not your own video. Let's say I go to YouTube and I take this. Let me show you. Let's say I just take any video related to, let's say I want to promote let's say on high ticket offer. Let's say I say how to make money online, an example. Online, because let's say I promote a product of a high ticket offer. It can be product from every of this great guru that you see on the internet. Let's say I want to take the example of one of this one. It can be you promote product of Kevin David, Franklin Ashlet. This guy give you the product to promote. So you can say, let's say you just click on this. When you click on this, what will happen, guys? You will have all the times step of these videos right here. So if you click here, you click open transcript. For every video on YouTube, you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing, guys. You're gonna see every word that this person say, that these people say in the video, and you're gonna use it. So you're gonna copy all this text, you're gonna do the same thing. Okay, you're gonna copy all this text. You take this, okay, you copy this, and you're gonna go and create a new articles for this, and you can insert the product of Kevin David if you promote him his high ticket offer, because he has a product where he paid people more than he paid people more than, let's say, okay, he paid people more than 1,000 for every time you refer someone to him. So this is a great way to start, and I'm 100% sure that you're gonna make money if you use this method to promote the Kevin David high ticket affiliate marketing offer. So you can see I can use this, which is the time step for the video of Kevin David. This is the example, perfect example I can give you. You can see after I make this article, okay, like this, as you can see, I will create an article. Okay, let's say I use this first. I have to rewrite everything is said because I don't really want to be clearly copyrighted, because all the text it says right here will be rewriting in a different vocabulary, different words, and people will have to click on them. What I do right here? Let's okay. Let let rewrite this. So let's say I'm not a robot. Go, and I will rewrite everything that Kevin is saying in this video. So when I rewrite everything right here, I will take the text that I just writing, and I will have something different right here, and I will just copy this, and I will create an article with this. Okay, when I create an article, as I said, you have to organize everything right here, but I will use the same title of his video because I want to rank at the same time for his video. I want to rank for this. I want my article to rank next to this video. After someone read this video on Google, my article will come as a suggested article to read related to the same subject. So I can publish, and I can insert the link of the product of this guy if I'm promoting this product. It's the same thing for any product. It can be for share sell, it can be for CLICKBANK offer, it can be for anything that you promote, guys. As a bonus, let me give you a last example, which will be for a product and on CLICKBANK, where you're gonna find the same subject, the same thing, and you're gonna make the same on as an article for you. Let's say this is the title for Kevin David. If I go to Google, you can see the title. It is the video of Kevin David I'm gonna rank on the first page of Google. So now we're gonna use this method for a product from ClickBank. Let's say we want to use it for research ClickBank weight loss research supplement, which is a product of ClickBank, which is the #1 for now on ClickBank research. So we're gonna use this method. Let's say this video, let's see which video will get a lot of more views for this subject. So I think I have to take the video will get the most view for this subject. So I try to find the video of 11,000 views about the same. You see a lot of people making review about this video. It's incredible, guys, because they know this product will make them a lot of money, so they are ready to make a lot of review video about the subject. So this is how affiliate marketing works. If you don't have an article, you don't have a video review about a certain product, and you will not make money, because to make money on affiliate marketing, you're supposed to have something that people will watch, and you will make money in return. This is how the whole affiliate marketing is made, guys. So I don't see the highest article. Let me take this one, research review. So this article is for someone who just review this product. So don't forget, go to these people channel, give them a shout out and subscribe to them. So this is a way that you can encourage them for making this type of video, and you're gonna have to do the same thing. You're gonna open transcript, and this is research review video that you're gonna have to do, guys. So you just click and make the transcript appear, and when you have all this transcript, you're gonna make articles for all of them, and you're gonna have to organize your articles. You can see right here, this is all the articles related to the research product. So because I know people is looking for review about this product, because it is being sold as cake on ClickBank. So I create an article about the subject. I just take, okay, let me go to Spinboard. We write the text first. Don't forget, always we write the text, because you don't have to copy people. You don't have to do this if you follow with me. What I do, excuse me, guys, you don't have to go to pass this right here. If you already passed this here, you will just have to click that you are not a robot, and after you're gonna go, click on go. When you click on go, it's gonna rewrite everything for you. Don't forget, you can install Spinboard. It is a Chrome extension. You install it on your Chrome browser. No, it's not, it's Chrome extension, it's a website. But guys, excuse me, you're gonna have to bookmark this, because you will need it. So let's say you copy this. When you copy this, you're gonna create your new articles about the subject. Don't forget to arrange this, make it good looking, and you will take the same title of this girl. I don't think this girl has already has a post or an article for this subject, because this girl give you free articles with the speech, with everything that this girl explain about the product. So you just go right here, you take the same title and you pass this right here, and you post this. After, come back, put your affiliate links about the research review product. You can do this for every clickbait product, guys. I guarantee you will have a lot of views, a lot of attraction on your articles, guys. So guys, this is how you do it. If I just pass the link, the title of this girl, you're gonna see what will happen. This girl, for the video, she's in the first page for the video, guys. So you can see, you can take all this type of video and make review of them the way you see I do. You just use the power of YouTube transcript for any video or any product that you promote. It can be a watch, it can be things on Amazon and everywhere. Just use this method and insert your link, make a lot of money. So guys, this video, as I said, is to boost you, because you can make it. You can make it. You don't have to buy an expensive training to make it. You can follow these steps that I show you and start making money. It was your boy Vanel. Bye bye.